Hello and welcome back. This time we're looking at Melania Trump's meme coin that has recently been launched. It is available as a perpetual contract, and the chart that I've got up is the Bybit chart. I'm going to jump into the daily, and we will go down to the time frames up to the 5 minute. But on the daily, there's absolutely nothing there. The coin itself launched today, Monday, and what I'm taking you through is what EngineeringRobo AI is telling us. Even on the 3 hour, we've only got 3 candles, no trend established, and not enough data to crunch to give us some orientation of what and how we should be reacting to price in terms of where we currently are. So if I look onto the 45-minute time frame, a few more candles have been printed, and again, there is still no trend that we can actually gauge from this time frame. If I now move down to the 15-minute, and shortly I'll be moving down to the 5 minute, we can now begin to see something forming. Let us start with this view and look at the dashboard. So there's not enough data coming in terms of creating a social intelligence score. Currently it's grayed out, as are all of the timeframes. It's all currently neutral. Even the RSI is neutral and smart money is balanced. What we're trying to ascertain here is a trend or some sort of direction. And on the 15-minute time frame, there's just simply not enough information to give us guidance. However, looking at where price has reacted from, EngineeringRobo AI, the indicator, has managed to draw out some key levels of interest. We've got the high at 1496, and these other orange resistance price areas are based on calculation and algorithmic values that have been backtested on tens of thousands of cryptocurrencies. So it's not just a measure of Fibonacci extensions, it's much more than that. At the moment, we have seen the $11.689 or $11.68, quite a interesting price point, and the bottom came in at $8.70. Currently it's trading at $9.61, and price does seem to be heading lower. Let's now go over to the 5-minute time frame, because the smaller we go, the more history we have. So from a TA perspective, we can draw trend lines, we can draw ranges, just to identify where and what price has done. It's lost the momentum on my initial trend line that I've drawn there. It then consolidated. Let me grab the brush tool. So price was going up, broke that trend line, consolidated, and now that resistance is potentially turning as support. Price has then broken down there, down the consolidation area, jumped back up, and now consolidating around the $9.60. Let me just do a measured move on this consolidated area. Just would like to check it out for my own sanity, really, just to see if how much we can expect for this to go down. So this is almost like a two measured moves down that it has already reacted to. So price could potentially really take a move between $8.79. It could either just continue breaking down or could actually bounce and go higher. Right now, the indicator itself is showing us, let me get rid of all of these lines at the moment, and we'll talk about what the indicator is telling us. I'll keep the support and resistance lines so that you can take these price levels. But yes, right now the indicator has printed an AI sell signal on 9:10 this morning UTC time, and had you entered on the time when the signal was printed, you could have got a 7% win, or if you were going to quickly close it as a short scalp, that's a 13% gain there. Right now, in terms of where price is and where the signal was printed, that's still a 4% increase if you were to short it. Right, okay, so what would we be doing now? At the moment, nothing. We are just monitoring this coin to understand where price is going to take us. Right now, we can see a trend line come in here. Now, for every coin, we can't just simply take a trade based on EngineeringRobo AI signals. We need to have a confluence of a number of signals before entering a position. So we normally ask ourselves 5 questions. Has an AI buy signal been triggered? Not yet. We've only got a sell. Has a coin broken its downward trend? Not yet. Is there a green cloud signal? I'll switch on the green cloud in a moment. And is the AI intelligence score showing green? Are crypto whales actively entering this coin? Look for smart money activity. So we can't see any smart money activity. There's simply not enough history. That was the smart money. There is the AI intelligence score is not currently being registered because we need just more data. And from a downtrend technical line perspective, that has not been broken. There is no AI sell signal. So right now, I would not be entering this position because my criteria have not been met. So currently just sitting on the sidelines, just wanted to give you an update of where we are with Melania Trump's coin, and to see where and what and how we will trade this. If you saw my previous video of the Trump coin, you can see when the AI sell signal was printed and how much profit was made on that one. I've not updated it yet, but we'll look to do that a little bit later on. Hope you found that useful. We'll check you on the next one.